Google's Gemini video has gone absolutely viral. In fact, I made a video covering it just 2 days ago. But is it really a game changer, or was it just a case of clever editing? Google's Gemini Demo video was faked as per this article that is surfaced on TechCrunch. It has shaken the entire AI world like anything. As per this, the video was not recorded live, nor the prompts which were shown in the video. The Gemini Demo video, which has gone viral, shows Gemini seamlessly answering questions about several images being shown to it.
It looks like a bird to me.
What if I add this?
The bird is swimming in the water. It has a long neck and beak. It is a duck.
Yes.
A duck is a type of waterfowl in the family Anatidae. Ducks are closely related to geese and swans. The duck appears to be blue. This is not a common color for ducks. However, there are some breeds of blue ducks. These are typically not as common as other duck breeds. It is more common for ducks to be brown, black, or white.
Are you sure?
What the quack? I was just talking about a blue duck, and now you're holding one. It looks like blue ducks are more common than I thought.
Would this float?
I'm not sure what material it's made of, but it looks like it might be rubber or plastic.
What if I tell you it's making a squeaking sound?
Oh, if it's squeaking, it's definitely going to float.
Nice.
It is a rubber duck. It is made of a material that is less dense than water.
Can you teach me how to say this in a different language? And give me a few options.
However, there is a significant issue with this video as per this article. It doesn't occur in real time despite the way it was presented. We were misled to believe this Jarvis-like capability, so the article says. More on it soon. Now quickly let's hop onto my Twitter page and check out this Mr. Ronnie Rahman's breakdown of Google's Gemini video, where he's proven it step by step as to how the video was faked. Let's check it out. This is Mr. Ronnie. Here we'll come to Ronnie's tweet and let's see what he's showing us. Let's check out the first video breakdown.
I know what you're doing. You're playing rock, paper, scissors.
So here we saw Gemini observing and concluding that this hand gesture was the person playing rock, paper, scissors, whereas Ronnie breaks it down that this is how the prompt was actually fed to Gemini. Let's enlarge this. And if you see here, what this image is trying to show is that Gemini was shown individual still pictures first, which it interpreted and got trained on. And then all of these were put together. And look at this prompt. What do you think I'm doing? And here it says it's a hint, it's a game. To which Gemini replies, you're playing rock, paper, scissors. Whereas in the previous video, what we were shown was somebody was playing rock, paper, scissors and Gemini immediately guessed and understood it correctly. Let's check out another example. Let's see this video.
Is this the right order?
No, the correct order is Sun, Earth, Saturn.
Here we saw Gemini correctly pointing out the right order between the Sun, Earth and Saturn. And we were led to believe that in the live demonstration, Gemini could pick this and point this out. But here Ronnie again busts this with this picture. Let's check this out. I'll make this larger and see this. Is this the right order? Consider the distance from the Sun and explain your reasoning. So here if you see, these were put together. Gemini was given a picture and the prompt was detailed by asking Gemini to consider a distance from the Sun and then explain the reasoning. To which Gemini responded in the right fashion, obviously. But in the video, we were made to believe that this was done live, where somebody was just interchanging these chits and Gemini could pinpoint an answer. Let's check out another example. Let's look at this video as Ronnie breaks it down for us.
Based on their design, which of these would go faster?
The car on the right would be faster. It is more aerodynamic.
Based on their design, which of these would go faster?
So here once again, let's see how Ronnie has busted this. We'll enlarge this and let's look at this. Let's look at the prompt. Gemini was given this picture and the question was, which of these cars is more aerodynamic, the one on the left or the right? Explain by using specific visual details. So here once again, Gemini was given a still image, asked a specific question to which it responded. But in the video, we were made to believe that this was done in real time, where Gemini could just see the image and explain the breakdown to us. This is absolutely crazy. Thanks, a big shout out and thanks to Ronnie for breaking it down for the AI community. few more pointers from Gemini's release. Gemini comes in 3 distinct versions. First, Gemini Nano. This is designed primarily for mobile applications, which they say is their most efficient model. Second, Gemini Pro, currently accessible in a limited form through googlebard AI. Initial feedback suggests that Gemini Pro hasn't lived up to the expectations yet. Third, Gemini Ultra. This is the most advanced version, heavily featured in Google's viral video that all of us are seeing. However, it's not available for public use as of now, creating a sense of anticipation in the AI community. This new claim has completely shaken the AI world. Google conducted a series of benchmark tests to compare Gemini with GPT-4, particularly highlighting Gemini Ultra's capabilities. However, critics noted that these comparisons were made against an older version of GPT-4, not the latest GPT-4 Turbo, which may have provided misleading results. Despite this, the tests indicated that Gemini Ultra surpasses the previous generation of GPT-4 in almost every benchmark. Controversy and clarification. The excitement around Gemini was somewhat dampened by revelations from this TechCrunch article. Google's best Gemini Demo was fake. The article pointed out that in demonstration video, Gemini seemed to be interacting and responding in real time to a variety of real-time live interactions. It was as if Gemini was seeing the demonstrations live and reacting in reality, like drawings and objects shown to a camera. However, a tiny disclaimer in the video indicated that the sequences were edited, which most of us missed due to its clever placement. Further exclamation revealed that the real-time interaction was more a result of clever editing rather than Gemini's capability. Google later clarified that the responses were generating using a combination of still images and text prompts, rather than live interaction. This disclosure suggested that the AI's ability to interpret and respond to live visual input was not as advanced as initially thought. Now this is really disappointing. Google's response to the tech community is as follows. Despite the controversy, Google attempted to provide clarity on Gemini's functioning through a blog post titled "How It Made Interacting with Gemini Through Multimodal Prompting." This post detailed the process used to prompt Gemini, demonstrating its ability to interpret images and text, albeit not in real time, as the video implied. The AI community reacted with a mix of disappointment and skepticism to these revelations. Many felt misled by the initial presentation, which seemed to showcase a level of AI interaction and responsiveness that was not yet achievable. The TechCrunch article's author stood firm on his stance, arguing that the term fake was appropriate given the misleading nature of the demo. Google's Gemini represents a significant step in the AI development, particularly with its advanced version, Gemini Ultra. However, the way its capabilities were initially presented led to misunderstandings about its real-time processing abilities. This incident highlights the importance of transparent and accurate representation in the rapidly evolving field of AI, where expectations and reality can often diverge. As the AI community eagerly awaits broader access to Gemini, particularly the Ultra version, there remains a cautious optimism tempered by the need for clearer and more realistic demonstration of AI's capabilities. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.